How to log into PNC Bank account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're going to find the search box. Type in PNC Bank login and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, www.pnc.com. Open it. With that, you will be directed to the official website. Now here you're going to find the option of Sign On. Click on it. You will be directed to the login page. From here, you can select the service. Then you can type in your credentials of the account and log into your account. Firstly, go ahead and type in your user ID. Then type in the password. If you want to save your user ID, you can check in for this option, remember user ID. In the case you have forgotten the user ID or password, you can click on this option to recover it. Once you fill this, click on login, and just for that, you will be logged into your PNC banking account. In the case you haven't created your account yet, click on this option and go through the process and create the account. Well, this is how you can easily log into PNC Bank account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.